one of the things that I wanted to do with this particular series was that I wanted to collaborate with another witch, which is something I've always wanted to do. I've seen it in the beauty community so many times. They collaborate all the time on palettes, on doing makeup, on doing this, on doing that. It seems like a lot of YouTubers tend to collaborate with each other, and in the witchy community, nobody really collaborates with one another. I mean, yeah, we do our live videos, we have our special guests, so on and so forth, but there's no real collaboration. I've never seen another witchy channel do a collaboration like the one that me and Lunar Wisdom are doing.
You can't just astral project like Prue did. Like, it doesn't work that way. And if you think it works that way, you need to unsubscribe my channel.
If you know me at all, you know that I love to throw shade, and I love to have fun, and I love to be humorous. And that's the thing that I really wanted to do with this series, is that, you know, the grimoire is so fucking dark that I was like, we need to bring some life to this channel. Like, people are probably sitting there being like, oh my god, go see a fucking therapist. So with this series, I wanted to have some fun. I wanted to, you know, invent a character named Cindy Lou Who. I wanted to just kind of play off of some of the stupidity that I see in the witchy community that I've talked about thousands of times before. And I also wanted to give you some tips and some tricks and some ideas and some ways of thinking about how you might do certain spells or do certain things. Now, a lot of my videos in this particular series are talking videos with props, but I try to educate as well as not bore you to death, because who wants to sit there and be taught something? Who wants to sit there and feel like they're in a classroom? Nobody.
We're going to talk about general malediction curses. Now, I am not actually going to do a curse, even though there are some bitches that need to be burned to the fucking ground, but I'm not going to do that because I'm a better person than them. That's right. A return to sender is basically saying, hey, this bitch be casting some serious magics on me. I'm talking old school power of 3 charm bullshit.
I wouldn't be where I am today without Lunar Wisdom. I mean, she is kind and courteous and friendly, and she's like a mother. She'll tell you exactly how stupid you are in a particular situation, and she'll give you some ways to get out of that situation or different ways to think about it. Just chatting with her makes me feel safe sometimes, and I don't always agree with everything she says, and I don't, like, we don't always agree on everything, but at the end of the day, to have that kind of friendship, to have that kind of loyalty is rare, especially in the witchy community. I have, on one hand, 2 friends in this community that I appreciate, that I look up to, and that I'm grateful for.
Because if you're the type to be like, oh, there's a ghost in my house and I'm so scared, and oh, playing with tarot cards, summon the devil, then get the fuck off my channel, because you're a fucking idiot. Literally. You're worse than Cindy Lou Who. She never arrives to a point, ever.
When I started looking at the series, I wanted to take the fuckery of 2018, I wanted to take all of the shit that I've talked about and create a character named Cindy Lou Who. Cindy Lou Who is not somebody from the witchy community. It is the embodiment of all the fuckery that I've talked about. And I know people are going to think that I'm Cindy Lou Who, or they're going to think this person is Cindy Lou Who. But nobody in the witchy community is Cindy Lou Who. Cindy Lou Who is a character that embodies all the fuckery. I wanted to take that character, I wanted to put it into something that wasn't so fucking serious, because the grimoire is fucking serious. And because it's so fucking serious, I also wanted to create something that wasn't serious, create something that was lighthearted. And I thank Lunar Wisdom. I thank her dearly and deeply from the bottom of my heart for letting me do this collaboration with her, because it allows me to get back to the roots of what the witchy show is. Shady, funny, hilarious, but always, always arrives at a point.